we are in a soft patch in economic growth, and I do think the GDP number tomorrow will only be about 1.5% to 2%. For the second quarter, and that's freezing people even more than they're already frozen. But what the stock market needs is simply for people to recognize the economy is going to grow over the next few years. As it does, profits will go up, and stocks are right now pretty cheap. But there's no conviction out there right now.
Yeah, but who's to say, David, that stocks won't even get cheaper from here? I mean, everybody seems to say there's so many uncertainties still out there.
Well, when have you ever heard somebody say this was a time of diminished uncertainty?
But you know that there's been times where people feel a lot more certain about the outlook.
Well, people probably feel falsely confident at market highs. It's usually when markets are very cheap that people feel unsure. But I think the key is it does matter how the economy moves from here. What we need to see are some better numbers just to show that we're coming out of this soft patch. I'd like to see unemployment claims come down a bit. We're going to get an important jobs report at the start of August, and it would be nice to see some private sector job growth. So once we see that for a while, I think that will help. I think it will also help, frankly, if we have more direction in terms of what's coming out of Washington.
Okay.
I'd like to know what the dividend tax next year is going to be.